Very skilled tradesman is Tyrone, very time served, 10 years in. 10 years in. He's on to handles now. He used to be the D-taper. Now he's on to handles. 10 years in. Okay. Okay, one top screw in. There's your bottom screw. This is how it's done, lads. This is how it's done. Oh, that's it. Look, there we go. They do his head in. 10 years in.
Stupid handles.
Time served tradesman.
I'm not a tradesman.
Why?
Come on, you little wobbler.
That's the one. Notice we're using the handheld. No battery operation here because we don't want to ruin the screw head. Very skilled.
Shut up, Dave. Making me laugh. Can't do it now, Dave. Making me laugh. They do my head in these bottom fucking screws. You never get out.
It's a very complicated process, this. Oh, no, easy. These are someone's doors, these. That's right. Take the screws back out now because they were incorrectly placed.
Spunk underneath the screw.
Okay, there is no need for that, Tyrone. This is for all types of viewers. This is a PG rating.
PG rated.
PG. All we're trying to achieve is to couple these two handles together. With ease. There we go. I think we're in on that one. That's right. No.
Screws are not long enough.
It's the screws that are to blame, ladies and gentlemen. The screws are to blame. We need to find new screws. Here is our failed attempt. Right there. We've moved on now to this one. We will return to the other later in part 2.
I'm gonna get myself a phone.
He's gonna bring himself up to the modern age. Look, you heard it there, ladies and gentlemen. Modern age. He's gonna get himself a phone. There we go.
The secret is.
He's done it. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, it's a handle. A handle being put on to a UPVC French door master slab. Master slab. There we go. I think it's on. Does it work correctly, Tyrone? Tron?
Okay.
That,
wait,
ladies
I'll
and
come
gentlemen.
back to me second.
Part 2, ladies and gentlemen, part 2. Here he is. He's trying to fathom out the slave door handle. Notice it's the slave door that we're struggling with. It's being a bitch. New method. Shut the door. Got a sexy bum.
I can't concentrate. Fuck off with you. Can't get it in. Can't get it in, bro. Fucking can't get it in. Shit. Shit.
Look at the knowledge. Okay, here we go.
I'm not doing it. I can't fucking do it. You're making me paranoid. two longies. Longie. And another longie. Stay. Scratched to death for it. Need a big baguette. It's this bust. It's this.
Tyrone thinks it's that that's broke. Well, I'm not so sure.
Get that on there first. Can't get it on. You sit on it now. Did it push over?
There you go, ladies and gentlemen.
Magic. Thank you very
One
much.
hand. Just the one hand.
Thank you very damn dear. Get on you fat fingered fucker. Where's my hand held?
Keep it PG, please, Tron. Please, Tron. Here we go. Look. The skilled hand is back for the slave door.
Shit all the time, isn't it? Fucking.
Easy, tiger. Look at the concentration needed. This is such a intense job. There we go. Top screw in.
Is it going?
The clock is ticking.
Got it.
He's got them. He's got them, ladies and gentlemen. He's got them. And we're home.
Just screw it in with me. Richmond fingers.
That's it.
With my sausage fingers. You got to use a handheld because he told me 10 years ago. Always use a handheld because you'll bust the mechanism.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. How to put two handles on a set of patio doors in 10 minutes.